This is Warm and Cozy Leaves. It is hosted by Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden and the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and more. I will be leaving also the co-hosts in my description box. Good afternoon, everyone. Today is the Warm and Cozy Leaf Collaboration. It is hosted by Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden and the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Their co-hosts I will be leaving in my description box. So come along with me as I show you my warm and cozy leaf. Now I'll tell you a little bit about what I've done here. I placed my nice and cozy leaves on my staircase. And so what I have here, I have my little chest here. On top of it, I have placed a bundle of fall leaves. The leaves were from the Dollar Tree. I've also placed several pumpkins. They were from the Dollar Tree and Joanne Fabrics, I think. This is the beautiful little tree I made yesterday in our collaboration, the fall trees. This is my little tree. I decided to put it here on the staircase. I've surrounded it also with leaves and pumpkins. The beautiful orange pumpkins on this tree did come from the Dollar Tree. They were a garland from the Dollar Tree, and the garlands were $3 each. They had 9 pumpkins on them. I did have to put 2 on this little tree. The ribbon was also from the Dollar Tree, and the garland leaves was also a Dollar Tree find. So that little tree there, everything come from the Dollar Tree, including the tree itself. The lamp here was one I've had a while. The grateful, thankful, and blessed sign was one that my niece had given me that passed away. That's the last little gift she gave me, so I keep it out all the time sitting here. The white garland here, fall leaves, were from Joanne Fabric. The fall leaves, the orange and yellow here, was some that I've had. Don't know where I picked those up at. The beautiful vase down here was a Goodwill find, and I've just added the sticks to it. So this is my fall leaf, warm and cozy. I have placed it here on my staircase. I hope I've given you some ideas when placing your fall leaves in your home for the fall season. I want to thank the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and more, and Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden for inviting me to be a part of the warm and cozy fall leaves. I will be leaving their information in my description box, and all of the co-hosts who are participating today in warm and cozy fall leaves. I want to thank the design family for coming along with me today, because without you, I could not do this. Again, I say thank you. And if you're not a part of our family, I'm gonna ask that you hit that like, comment, subscribe, and come along and be a part of our family. We would love to have you. If you hold on, I'm gonna go ahead and show you the night version. Again, I want to thank Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden and the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Our co-host, Debbie Bubbles, Design with Emma, myself, Barbara Daly's Rural Life, Decorating with Jessa Green, May's Design Corner, At Home with Lisa, Deborah Kabaska Home Living, Z9 Design, and Lifestyle with Teresa.